Good, my people, back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I'd like to request every single person watching to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think of all the videos. Click the bell icon, join the Discord below, and all that good stuff. So straight into this one. Summertime is coming. So summer is nearly here. So the shorts need to come out. The all-white trainers need to come out. I've got a pair of Golden State Warriors shorts. So the yellow, blue, white colorway. So mainly yellow and blue. We've got a Nike swoosh. It is a sticker. And then we've got the W on the waistband. It's embroidered in. Or it's like a patch and it's sewed on. Then we've got the NBA logo. Nothing on the side really apart from like design, so it doesn't have like a patch or anything like some shorts do. Just pretty plain. And then on the back it's just all yellow. Or golden, or whatever you want to call it. Label inside. So the size engineered to exact specifications of championship athletes. They are dry fit. Then we've got the sizing and made in Guatemala. That's different. Yeah, so with these, they are basketball shorts, but I did want them to come up a bit longer because I like, over the knee shorts are the one. Obviously for certain reasons. And yeah, so double XL, quite good. The waist, to be honest, doesn't really matter on these like that. It's more so length. So you can pull this and just make it real tight if you wanted to. Like, that doesn't matter. But yeah, let me know what you think of these people. Just literally a quick, rapid review of the Golden State Warriors shorts from Nike. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the content. And take care, my people.